Today we are going to learn about bubble sort. It is one of the most common sorting algorithms used in almost every programming language to sort data. The data can be sorted in ascending order, descending order, like for numbers. It can be sorted in alphabetical order from A to Z or Z to A. So this is the name of the algorithm which we use for sorting the data, and is the first algorithm we learn to sort our data. Now the data which we are going to sort will be stored in arrays. So it is an important data type which we should know that how the data is stored. So when we store our data in arrays, many times we just need to sort them for our usage. So what is bubble sort? Bubble sort means that you are having, let's say, an array of 5 integers. So I'll just put some integers in it. And let's say now we want to sort in an ascending order. Okay. So in bubble sort, what happens? You start by comparing the adjacent elements. So when we start our pass 1, what is pass? What are passes? So pass is like when you have finished comparing all the elements to adjacent one in the first go. Okay, that is a pass 1. So right now I am showing you how the pass 1 will take place. Now in this, what will happen? I will compare 15 and 20. So is 15 greater than 20? No. Or we can say that is 15 less than 20? Yes. Okay, this is so less than 20, and that's what we want, right? So we will not swap. So no swap will happen here. Okay, this will remain like that. Now we compare 20 and 2. So are they in the right order? Are they in the right order? No, right? 2 should come before 20. Okay, so we will swap them. Okay, so my array will become now 15, 2, 20, 40 and 13. We are still in pass 1. Now I will compare next element with 20. So 20 and 40, they are in the same order. So this is correct. So no swapping. Okay, no swapping. Now next, in the same pass, we are still in the same pass, we are still in the same for loop. Okay, now we are comparing 40 and 13. So are they in the same order? No. So this needs swapping, right? So we will swap them, and my array will become 15, 2, 20, 30 and 40, right? So now you can see that after pass 1, now my pass 1 is done. Okay, my pass 1 is done. So why it is done? Because I have compared all the adjacent element for one time. I have iterated through all the 5 elements and compared them to the adjacent ones, and if needed I have swapped them. Okay, now what happens after first pass, or the first pass is over? You can see that the largest element gets sorted, or the largest element, since it's a ascending order array. So in ascending order, what we do, we go from small to big, right? Small to big. So the largest element or the biggest element will get sorted. So it will come in the right place, in the right end of the array. So that's how we call it. That's what the name is, that the largest element has gone like a bubble. It has bubbled up the array. So that's why the bubble sort name is given. Okay, so this is my pass 1. Now let's see what will happen in pass 2. Okay, let's see what will happen in pass 2. So now my pass 2 will start. Okay, so I have to refer to this array now in pass 2. So again I'll compare 15 and 2. So are they sorted? No, they need swapping, right? So I will swap them, and my array will become 2, 15, 20, 13 and 40 is already sorted. So now you see that in the pass 2 we actually need not go till the end, because it is already sorted. So we just go till the last but one element, right? That you can adjust in your for loop. Even if you go till the end, then also nothing will happen. It will just create one more iteration, just one more comparison, that's it. Okay, so now my 2 and 15 are sorted. Now I will just compare 15 and 20 over here. So yeah, they are already in the same order, so they are no swapping required. So no swapping is required. I'm still in my pass 2 right now. So my array is 2, 15, 20, 13 and 40. Now next I will compare 20 and 13. Yes, it does require swapping because 20 should come after 15. So I'll swap them. So after swapping here, so this will require swapping. I will say it will become 2, 15, 13, 20 and 40 is already there. This is already sorted. Even if you compare this, it will not be requiring a swapping. So it's already sorted. So we just actually need to go to the second last element only in this pass number 2. Okay, so after pass 2 my array is this, but my array is still not sorted, so I can go for one more pass, right? So actually you have to go to all passes, but sometimes it happens that your array gets sorted even before the total number of passes have been done. So now I'll compare 2 and 15. No swapping is 2 and 15. No swapping required, right? No swapping. Then 15 and 13. Yes, swapping is required. So we'll say swap. Okay. So my array will become 2, 13, 15, 20 and 40. Then I will compare 15 and 20. No swapping is required, and then 20 and 40 is already sorted. Okay, so now you see that after each pass, after pass number 2, 20 was sorted. After pass number 3, my 15 is sorted, and in fact over here even 13 and 2 are sorted. But it will not be the case for everything, so you can have one more pass. Okay, so in pass number 4 again you will go for the 2 and 3, and then if it required swapping you will swap and they will get sorted. Okay, so the number of passes required for to sort and so to sort an array of n elements. Okay, to sort an array of n elements by using bubble sort, you need n minus 1 passes actually. Okay, so that you can remember. So if we had the array of 5 elements, so that's why only 4 passes were required. 5 elements, so only 4 passes were required. So that is how you deal with the this is the logic behind the bubble sort.